Let's take a moment and walk through the tuner functions on Pioneer's DEH-X3700S. So we'll just press the source button here till we get to the radio. There's the radio. The first thing we'll do is tune in a radio station, and we can use the arrow buttons right here to touch them one at a time, and we'll move up to the next available frequency. If I press and hold, we'll scan and lock in the next radio station. Once we found a radio station, let's create a radio station preset. Right now we're on FM band number 1, and SuperTuner gives us 18 radio station presets on FM. So with FM band number 1, we have 6 radio station presets. If I press the band button over here, we switch to FM 2. That'll give me 6 more radio station presets. Press band again, we switch to FM 3 with 6 more radio station presets. Press band again, we switch over to our AM band, and we have 6 radio station presets on AM. Press band one more time, we come back around to the original FM number 1. So I'm going to tune in 89.3 as preset number 1, and all I have to do is press on button number 1, hold it until the 1 stops flashing, and we've created 89.3 as radio station preset number 1 on FM band number 1. Let's touch in on the volume control, and we'll check out the function menu for the radio. There's audio. Let's roll over to function. Here we go, and press enter. First thing up is BSM, or best stations memory. If I touch in on the volume control, the tuner will automatically scan through the entire FM spectrum and lock in the 6 strongest signals that it's receiving right now. Best station memory also works on the AM band. Now you'll see I have 6 strong radio stations locked into my presets. Let's go back to the function menu and roll over to our local setting. Right now local is turned off. If I press it on the volume control, we can switch local onto its level number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Touch it one more time and local is turned off. So right now with local turned off, every time I press and hold here, the tuner is going to find the next radio station that's available, even the very weakest ones. So if I switch local onto level number 1, that'll start to filter out the weak radio stations. As I bring this up to local 2, 3, and 4, now when I scan to the next radio station, only the very strongest stations that we're receiving right now will be stopped on. So I'm going to leave that on local level number 4. Let's roll over to the next function, which is our Sikh type, which is now manual. That means if I press and hold the arrow up or arrow down keys, we'll manually seek to the next radio station. If I want, I can switch that into presets. So I can press these buttons to activate my presets, or I can scan through my presets by pressing here or here when Sikh is set to preset. For right now, we'll put that back to its manual setting. At any time, I can exit this menu by pressing the band button. I can change the information displayed on the screen by touching the display button.